Big up Crosses TV.
That me I tell you, Crisis TV, them deaf. Them deaf?
You know why? Every time you go to Jamaica and come back, you bring up your crosses. Every time you go to Jamaica and don't know with your foolishness, you come back up with your crosses. It not gonna catch me. When you come back and I say, oh, make she go out cause a long time, but him, oh please, come with something else. She not get the attention, mama. She need, because not even the man that even come back up to answer. But she been a comment. The fact is, the way she's hurting inside. Because as she hurting up, she's hurting inside.
True.
So she try to see if everybody else can hurt like she. We have a wonderful life. We have an alright life. Me and Allah I walk the place. So your life is not happy. So you feel say everybody want to just dry in with your one. Turn right when I look. Say, hey, she feels that everybody feel just drying in her things. And she, cause everybody around her, and she just sit, me say, from she married that boy, she's a changed person. I don't know what come with that boy there, but she need to listen and learn. Me never cuss you because sometimes we do somebody something and they end up with the extreme or something and then you start blaming yourself for because of you should do that or should do this. They have a new song out. He say, me get the clips them and I go post them. Come here and say, why Juju? Because Juju, I know Juju is only poor person where I post her things. Salam alaikum, welcome salam ma. I say, Juju alone I post her things. It's your flop. Me not gonna cuss you, mama. Me not have time to cuss you. Because the beating up her mouth and beating up her gun, but some things you said last night, you need to go and watch that video again. Because right now, I see you bringing yourself some enemies and you're not loving your family. You need to remember to love. Don't be selfish by loving yourself alone. Think about who you have around you. Think about everyone. It's no need for you to come out and be bashing people. You are angry. You need to go get some. You need to go get some shiny. You understand? When you come out, you cause this. They don't. I don't know which man me talk to what you say gear, but keep it in your head. I don't care.
You want to go on?
Go on, me now.
You know what? I'm come to load up the woman was sending you the message in the inbox. Remember that woman there?
Which one?
The woman that they coming in your inbox and tell us if you reach out to me because she a solicitor. You know, so the woman I want fraud.
Oh, the one there.
And Juju, the woman left from all the way at East London, take my details. I don't know who sent her where she didn't expect to see her, where she didn't expect to hear. The woman take my details, photocopy all of me, something of them, and tell me, say she named Divine Luxury. Come say Candy and everybody follow her. The woman says she named Divine Luxury. The woman come and take all of my information, the minute auntie. And tell me, say, she got to do this and she got to say, Auntie Juju, all I know, me not hear back from the woman or anything like that. The woman not do nothing.
Oh,
Can
my
you
God.
believe it? That she come in your inbox and tell her, say, she hear me and she reach out. And do what me say, the woman have me on the phone for about 1 hour. Juju, I take information from me. I know who send her where she come, but I know me not hear back from the woman going 5 months now.
Not your time.
See somebody write something there? If she photocopy all the documents, that means she has made a new document in your name.
Yes, she photocopy all of me something of them. She photocopy me counsel something of them and the report them when I make against the council. The woman come over here and photocopy my medication. I don't know what kind of medication she didn't expect to say, but she don't say the one she's supposed to say because it is not here. You understand? Me say the woman take all of me deep, but me just say wait. till any fraud or anything, because I know we are business place, the Upper East Sam, she name Luxury Divine. Me say me I send the police and the fraud squad and everybody here. Me just wait for anything funny coming on my name because I me I make them go to.
You know, if we wait to go make something at police station. Go to police station and talk and make a report. So you make a report from early, so if anything come out, and then put that thing on it, them clock it down quick. Now wait. Right now, we should go to the police station and put in today.
Yeah, me I go around the reporter to, as you say so, me I go around the reporter to the police. Luxury Divine. Luxury Divine come on my yard and tell me, say, you got to take details and you got to do this. Me I go report her to the police right now. Me I go around there to the police and report her and show her profile pic and everything for Instagram.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, you not been reported like that.
talking right to the woman, you know, Juju, because I'm all on back on some things I'm not sure, you know. Me all on back on some things. Because when she come here, I say, but all the lady say she going to come with laptop and she going to do this and she going to do this and she going to do that and she going to do this.
Yeah, that is not her name. Aisha said that is not her name.
Yeah. She name Luxury Divine. Her shop, but she look like she have some, she run some agency shop and something like that. Upon Juju live, me did then want one legal lady and she come for me live and tell me. I said, Juju, the funny thing, there's no time I email the woman email me back.
That means she not chase on an email.
No. Email. When I Google her, you see, she don't even know, me I done smart, but she don't even know if to spell paralegal blood clot good. That's one of the things catch me upon her, because she don't know if to pronounce and spell paralegal good. So I said, no man, something right with that woman, but she screenshot some papers, like the papers the woman make complaint to the council, she screenshot them, then say she going to put it in her case, because she going to do this, and she going to do that. She can change her business name and work address. But no worry, me know her good. Her face can never hide. I can't them follow her. Candy, Peter, and the whole of them follow her on
Is that dance
Instagram.
out right too? I know I find a dance. I know she keep enough dance. Then keep dancing.
Yes. So when I start go up on her page, when I realize she keep dancing these places. So when I said to her, I said, but you don't look, I can't get no details of you on your profession, right? Ray. I don't get no something from you like that. Oh, me no walk and tell everybody my business. If I make here, she said something, me just know something, but me just go with the flow, because true people say, Rattie, you never know if she can help if it's true. But she only photocopy some paper when me make complain to the council. She don't really get no important nothing for me. Just the copy of the something them when me that make complain about the council. So she said she have a photocopy them, you have to put it together and make a case so she can present it to the court. I say, I know me away from blood clot court there, Juju no pay. So me I come loud her up. Her name is Luxury Divine. She come from
her proper name.
Yeah?
Didn't she give you a card with her proper name?
She don't give me the card with her name. I just that she said she name. Lisa, she name. Her name is Lisa. Lisa, I mean, after her for that, too, now she said she know what. Yeah. She asked me after her for her business card and everything when she go away. But when she go, me just go up on my Google her. I mean, I see her come up, my uncle see the business that what she do. And it look like she's an hairdresser, she do hairdressing shop as well. But me just say, alright, me go just go with the flow, because she should say she left from all the way at East London, come over here and do. But you know, me not eat that something never right to the woman. Me just hold on back on certain particular information when me know she need, and me just show her the letter. Them she don't even get the name of the something. Them she just get the writing and the something them want to send to the council. Fraud is what the lady does. She got enough from you. Go and build her life in her name and all that. She can't build no name. She can't do nothing in my name. Because first comment, them blacklist me because somebody take out one phone in my name and now pay the bill. Them blacklist me, so me can't get no credit, me can't get nothing. Yes, that's such a name. Her name is Keisha. Her name is Keisha. Keisha. Name Keisha Kakunka Kakenke, something like that. Me I try to pronounce her name and me turn Japanese and Chinese in a one. She name Lisa Kakunko, some blood clot, something like that. But now,
So
you know that
African background.
he looks so, but she don't speak like African when she comes. She speak very posh, and that draw me attention to her because she too posh can speak to me.
None of that with
But me said
Jamaican.
the name what she
African,
gave me,
right?
said she told me in a Chinese, she told me in a Japanese because she named Lisa Kakung Kakung Kung Kung. Miss how the blood. And I told her, Auntie Juju, me not in a good mood, but me have to laugh. So me I come down and rub. Yes, anybody wanna say her name is Lisa Kakung Kung 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 Kung.
Yeah, they're coming to dance all the
Yes,
while, man. They keep
yes,
keeping
that's
down.
her name, Keisha Divine. Yes, lady, only one star, Tracy. Yes, that's her name, Keisha Divine. That's her name, but you have another African name beside it. Some kung 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 kung. Mr. When the blood clot this. I wonder if I got me a call them by myself with the pronounce her blood clot.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Remind me of yes, that's what she said she name. She named Keisha Kukung Kukung Kung Kung. Something like that, my love. Cause when I try to pronounce the name, my love, me turn Chinese, me turn African, me turn Jamaican, me turn every one of the nation, then you can't think of.
Oh my God.
No, pa you talking. Be careful of her. Keisha loves the divine. Kakung kakung kung kung. So anytime when you see that name, then it name kakung kung. When you know she.
Yeah,
Oh
boy.
my
Bye,
God.
bye.
Proud you knowing that people know her and she. Yes, because she keep dance. But all me a Google her and even the legal the government website, she's not the name come up, I'm not gonna lie, her name came up on it, but you can never get no like feedback of what people think of her service. You can never get nothing but her name do come up on the government website when you Google her. Me say I me a call the girl never the girl come over. She said next week you're gonna go court me not hear from her. When I call her, she tell me oh our reception or what or something there. Our receptionist did sick and all these things. So she someone said, but Mr. Torrance, but if you're working for a legal aid company, if you don't have your person them for work with you, it's called a team. Other people in the office work on your behalf until your employee them come back to work. Yes.
Wait there, Rattie. If court case go on and our receptionist get sick, how that will stop the court case?
Yeah, she have hairdresser. She's a hairdresser and she keep dance as well. It look like she provides, like if you want in a luxury, if you keep party, you want a luxury things like them something. Look like she provide them something, but she's a hairdresser as well. She come from Renford Road. Can I go over Renford Road? Go look there too, you know. Because I Google it and I see the place. She look like she run all a restaurant, a cook restaurant. Yes.
So you never go, so Rattie, you never check out the place first before you give her a house.
That's why I tell you, say me Google the woman and I see she come up on the government website where deal with paralegal. But as I said, me not gonna tell nobody say me bright and me can't read and write like anybody else, but me can't help myself. Her name is Lisa Kakung Kung Kung Kung, something like that, but me know that depend the name. You understand? And then when she send me the email now, she send me an email. I said, but this girl says she a liar and she can't spell paralegal good. Because I can't spell it good, but I know say it not spell blood clot right. Because when I pronounce it, and that's how it pronounce. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, but don't worry yourself. Never deal with our case. Wicked. I'm sorry, but you make me laugh. No, your tongue. Yeah.
I was glad to Rattie, you know, me just, you know, but that's why I say me no cuss this morning, you know. If I do my live from earlier, you know, come get up and I do my prayer. And I say, okay, I'm not going to eat nothing before I go work, but I keep fasting going through for today. And I say, me don't cuss, and I say, can't bother cuss down man, you know. Can't bother cuss down man. Down man, then I have nothing but I shall be a demon in the panel. So me just so loud.
No, but who you have cuss, Queenie?
That not you, man, then.
Start talking to Queenie. I said, don't we have waste of time on what's your name there for Juju? Leave her alone, man. That's the woman mad like myself. Yeah, that the woman, the man, that me tell you something, Juju. I'm not first to come on live, and I got talk it. I see a lot of people on social media and them behavior where them have. When me look on it at the same behavior me kind of have at times. I'm going to come on social media, come cuss people. Those people suffer from mental health, them depressed, them have anxiety, them have all different type of things. And me's like that. When me have anxiety and me get my depression start kicking, I come on the live and give a joke and maybe do some things that I'm not supposed to do out of depression and all of these things. Most of these people, they're crazy. They need help.
I think the time, most of them have some problems. Them have financial problems, so
Yeah,
not easy
they
to
have
keep up with them.
mental issue, and I'm not diagnosing nobody coming like nobody diagnose me and them something they don't that. But these people have issue. They've got problems. They've got things dealing with. Some of them, I'll remember when them father used to touch them and them something, and them somebody used to touch them. So those are them frustration to come out and behave a certain derogative way on social media or bring down people and talk bad against people because hurt people always hurt other people.
I think I think you should lonely still, cause
They should have in our house.
I want to tell ring. Oh God.
Lady, he's not a lady, he's a hermaphrodite, he's man and he's a woman, he's not a lady. But it's the truth. Because I suffer from depression, but it's just that my depression doesn't make me do something or behave in a certain way, which I can now see like me I start to have behavior problem. I'm not gonna lie, I think that I'm starting developing behavior problem. Anytime I talk, it make me talk very aggressive when I'm not an aggressive person. So these people, you see them behave, them have mental health, them sick, them have problem, them have stress, them have issue. And I'm telling you that as well. Because I sit down and observe, that's why I mean speak out and tell people if when I suffer from depression and anxiety, go look, because I'm not gonna lie, from my friend dead, it's like my whole entire life changed.
Oh God.
Back to Keisha Kakunko. I want to know who she is because you introduced her to me, Judge.
The people have said it up, said it, but put it on my page. That's how I'm telling people, Rattie. Oh my God.
Black China, I'm not self-diagnosis of blood clot. Come stop me, Black China. You're your companion and your people then. They talk about your pan show, the whole of blood clot, I'm not diagnose my blood clot, drunk, Black China, I let go my blood clot mouth pie, I can make sure come over the live, because you look like you come over here for dry me out, I want to lick 2 shots off of your hands with them. Auntie Juju, I just make you know about the dirty woman named Keisha Divine Kakunko. And she may talk about. I'm going to know that everybody knows
Rattie, I TikTok, I'll get We know I like scripture don't have a TikTok,
I'm Queen Visha. Yeah, she named Keisha Divine Luxury, whatever she is. Kakunko. When I look there.
Black China Rattie.
I want to get when they go and get in our backyard fucker have Black China, one of them picking the way they make sure that if a bad, but some not believe in a abortion or that the picking them come eat no snot and book. But I know where she blood clot come over because me this mad should have blood clot dead, but I squeeze up my leg when she a born. Kakunko, Luxury Design. She's a fraud and she's a thief. So go up on her website, go look and tell her, but make nothing come back to me and say, I know if I go find her.
Yeah, man, a lot of people know her. Everybody know her dance hall. Everybody know her dance hall. Which part now house Rattie gone?
Legal aid, mother appreciate it, thank you so much. I have some housing issue. I'm want one legal aid. So if anybody can help me, I'm gonna some help, please and thank you. I need a solicitor. Did you see other day a beach party? You know, really look bad though.
Oh, Jesus, me got something with a spot here, me not turn it.
Yeah, you look nice. I'm not gonna tell you like your body still firm like the deer. I'm just see you. I'm gonna put one by your head. You bisexual? You don't back.
Right, the name of Allah, please leave it.
But now I go to the council, I do everything I right now. Through me, I speak up the council, them I say, oh, me aggressive, I'm this, I'm that, and I labor me, oh, me aggressive. I go to my council, I do everything. I go to all my MP, them start labor with the MP. So the next trick I'm going to do now is the one where I'm not going to talk on the live, because I don't know who the on your live. But me, I work them blood clot. Yeah. But you don't pay that woman that mind. That woman is crazy. You can't carry her in and go get a book in a mile.
Hey, we say, I'm going to put up a video still.
When you want blood clot, put up, because it's an open book, and I'm not hide. I just not want them send me all about when me in a minute.
I'm not talking this baby. I talk with, if you don't make it this morning, click them on make it.
Oh, yeah, go put them up. Yeah.
Petite, bisexual.
It's tricky. So I'm going to make GP, you know, with a piece of rope when I have car. I kill me, I go kill myself right now. You know,
Yes, which live last night? See, somebody sent the Kongi me because when they send the live Kongi me now, sleep a bit, me, so I go sleep, so somebody get some recording and send it Kongi me.
but we never give a joke again. What are we Queenie and doing wicked? What are we doing wicked to Queenie? Sell the ring. And I tell her, I said, the boy, keep the ring. Keep that. And Queenie, that they are defending the boy after she said she married to herself. No, you to talk the truth, though. I mean, I know one another help Queenie. Look how the boy do all I say, look, me said that alone that make me left him. You don't believe me? That alone that make me left him. Sell my blood clot wedding ring after you never buy it. No?
You know, me get the live last night, Kindred. Me get the live, but the thing is that I wanted to sleep and I've worked today. I've worked today in it, so I couldn't bother with them still watch for your live and then not go work.
I said the woman man sell dirty blood clot, boy, sell the ring and I tell lie. And she depend on me say, any blood clot, man, them say them want to marry me, I chop him in a blood clot. Because they know I'm going to put me just like Queenie. Imagine, this man sell your ring and you still be behind him. My blood clot husband. Me would have more look like snow. Me come off of the live. Visha, get in touch with me, baby. We pick two people and two blood clot wicked. And I said there is something about Dowey. I said there is something about Dowey. I'm not going to say it because I don't want to judge nobody. But God, you know what me say and know what me know. And my truth them always real. That's why people don't like me, you know. I take the truth. Something about Dowey I don't like. Either I'm a chicken, or I'm a goat, or I'm a something, but something not right. And I'm your back.
All right then, darling. Oh my God, I hope that woman will get in touch with Rattie now. I hope this woman. Oh my God. I tell you. Hey, me not go bother, I'm not cuss man, me not cuss. Get up and pray this man, you can't bother cuss. But it's just that she must understand the fact, say. You know, from when this woman hate me, I mean, first, you know, so I find my old video when I didn't make and call her man fish, so she did go to Jamaica, go pick up a mullet. So I mean, first she did one cuss. And when she cussed me, I that the liquor hard when me tell her. Until now, it's still a beat her. But it's like she depend on the video and I cuss her and I talk about something mother. But me only want to know say no my mother. She that talk. But somebody else did upon her life. When somebody else did upon her life in Juju, I think. So somebody else that talk up. But me no care me. Me tell her long time she go pick up a fish. But says a mullet, you left go Jamaica go pick up mullet. So she can't deal with me. She can't cuss till she weak. And this one always cuss when he left Jamaica and come back up. He never cussed to my yard yet. He never done nothing and cuss it. He always cuss when he come back to England. Always cuss when she come back to England. He never cuss to Jamaica. I will say, yeah, we know that every time. If he go down next week and come back up, he won't cuss. Anything, every time of that thing, though. Yes, every time they go and come back. I do not know what happened. But Pan King makes up here to say the gathering gets sell. So I don't know if I'm one ring, but we know one ring gets sell. So when we go Pan King mix up page, I see. Yep, he is smart. That's social media man. Wait now, when he talk and he say man do something bad for go. And he have to go back to Jamaica. Then he say, God has saved me. I'm a did. Because she want to talk like say for the certain time. I tell her. The only one knows that no mama what she that talk, you know. Not tell a lie. Because I know she not send me upon my mother because me not come on the social media come talk when you send me upon my mother, you know. One thing that me say, me not talk, I mean I have nothing to talk because how much bigger for me pay last week after tax? My pay varies in 1100, sometimes 900 after tax. Sometimes I say, hey. Oh my God. I know that you know actually put up with something them. Me put up the things them, somebody else never share them. So me put up the things them, so me get cussed. When me get the clip, I say, like, yeah, we go park mix up and like when we reach the last side, watch it till the end. And you Juju British. It's that and that and that. I'm like, oh please. Change the record. Cause me know not true. That me don't know about my son. Me don't know about my son. I don't know what they say about my son or whatever. Me not hear. Me not hear. Cause right now, the amount of enemy she try attract. She, boy, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I know 2023, I say, I don't know. Petite Bobby. Petite Bobby, you never the Petite Bobby, you know everything in it. Yes, I see that it's a meltdown. That's why I said to myself, say, you can't see it. She just it's like she balls, she cuss, she balls, she cuss. And she don't have nobody to grab her and pan more and she just grab, you know? She just grab and pan oof and name. Me and Theo last two somebody where she cuss, you know. Me and Theo. So me and Theo now is like she just want to catch up with again and you know? we just can't be asked. So I wake up this man and wake up this man, I do a little thing when we do and that's it. And I said, chop. And she spit, then he blew in was. He spit, then he blew in. But yeah, I tell you. Yes, the bed. It's a cup of king mix up game, PSG game, something you see. Cup of king mix up, you see it. Yes, that's what me I wonder if remember some me not have as much followers, you know. And when me put up something, it hurts. Some don't know how come it hurts, because pink one big army, keep mix up big army. You understand me? Some don't know how the hell. You man last night, this thing place for me said go buy something you see it. That even though she saved me life. They say, hey, cuss. I say, I wonder how he feel when he go in bed. When he done cuss. In case you say, I see that I watch you laugh. That's it. But say, you always see it at King Big Stuff. There's one part of me I gonna put it on me something. You always see, go at King Big Stuff YouTube. I mean, I tell you, it go deep. I didn't hear about my son. You want to hear about my son? I hear about my son. But sometimes some people want, it's either them want getting a problem or them want to see other people just retaliate certain way. And more time, people cuss out when you see them on road is that different thing. Or if you take it to a next level, is a different thing. So, I can't be asked. I can't be asked.